All right, so today we're going to be decorating for Christmas, but first I need to straighten up the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. Kitchen, the living room, and the dining. Yes, I'm going to straighten that area up, and then we're going to decorate. I'm so excited. Hubby already has all the supplies out, so I just want to start from a nice clean slate, and yeah, should be good. So I'm actually starting to decorate kind of late for us. We are usually done decorating by this point. We usually decorate right after Thanksgiving. But this year, things have just been really busy, with the new, with moving and all the things. And so I just wanted to quickly clean up before we started decorating, because it's just not the same in a dirty house. You know what I mean? Like, you don't get that full, oh, look at your freshly decorated home feeling. So this is our first year, our first Christmas in this house. And I really wanted to make it home and make it feel extra special for the kiddos, and especially for hubby, just extra warm and stuff like that. I don't know if you noticed in the previous clip, our fireplace is still not done, but it's getting done today. I'm so excited. And then I'll be able to finish my decorating by decorating the mantle as well. So it's almost done. We just have to tile it up and put up the mantle, and then it will be completely done, which is so exciting. I am actually not much of a decorator. To be honest, it's not my skill. I'm more like math and science minded, and my hubby he's more like the creative, the one that can take something and make it beautiful. Like, that's more his vibe. So he will be decorating with me as I learn and improve on my decorating skills. I feel like it's like taboo for a homemaker to not be like this like amazing decorator, but nope, just not my thing. But I'm learning, I'm not giving up on it. Today's video is a collaboration, so definitely check out the link in my description once this video is done for some more cleaning and decorating inspiration, because it's the holiday season. Who can have enough decorating and seeing all the beautiful homes and just seeing how people are just bringing in the new season? So do you guys see I'm fussing at my husband right now? We clean together, all right? So when I'm cleaning, he's cleaning. It's kind of like it's a thing, like you don't go to somebody's house and you see them cleaning and you don't clean. Like it's just a thing in our house. And so he started cleaning the table, and I'm like, don't clean the table. The camera's not facing the table. And then if you go back a little bit, you see he just walks out of the room. He's so frustrated with me. He's not a big camera person, but yet he want to help clean in the cleaning video. I don't understand. No, it's just his sweetness. He doesn't like to see. He doesn't, sit down and rest while everybody's working. Everybody's working, he's working, So, bye-bye pumpkins. That was my only decoration for the fall, was those pumpkins that were like rotting and dying. This table has been such a blessing for us in the sense that like it's a wonderful place for us to set up our projector, and if I need a child to work there while I homeschool. But it is a clutter magnet. My goodness. When I didn't have nothing there was nothing on that table. But the minute I got that table, it just attracted clutter like it ain't nobody's business. As you can tell, we had just finished up school. which is why it's all over. And so I'm just putting everything back on our cart. I need to go get my big cart from downstairs. All right, so I've got all these boxes full of Christmas stuff. I'm not quite sure what is inside of each one and what I'm actually going to use, but I'm gonna have my husband set up the tree. We have a fake tree, so I'm gonna have him set up the tree. I think I wanna put the tree either right here or right here or right here. So we'll decide which 3 places it should go in, and then we'll see. We'll move on from there. As a minimalist, I'd like to personally apologize to all the minimalists out there. This is a lot of decorations. It's a lot of decorations. No, I'm just playing. I'm not necessarily like a 100% minimalist. I think I would describe myself more as an essentialist. So things that I actually use and love, I keep, I just don't keep everything and anything in 5 varieties of everything. So all that to say, I have a lot of decorations that I need to let go of. So I will definitely, at a different date, not when I'm decorating, probably when we're packing up, be going through and decluttering some of our decorations, because there's like a lot of beautiful ornaments, but they're glass, so we can't really even utilize them. So I decided to decorate this little area right here behind the chair. I don't know if I'm going to keep it there, like if I'm going to put these on the mantle, or if I'm just going to leave it there to like decorate that banister. I think I might just leave it there. I've got another 2 little like Christmas trees that I might put on the mantle. And then decorate our one little chair that we got in here. I'm hopefully, fingers crossed, going to be getting 2 more chairs to add to our living room soon. Because I've got like 5,000 pillows and the Christmas pillows need a place to go, right? And I cannot put my nice Christmas decorating pillows downstairs on the couch down there, because my kids would absolutely destroy those pillows. They'd use them to like beat each other with and all the things. Once my husband was done putting up the Christmas tree, I was so grateful that it was so big. I didn't realize it was so big. I thought it was going to look very small in our space because the ceilings are vaulted in this place, but we put it at the lowest part of the ceiling in this home. And so that helped to make it not look super small, but really fill out the space that it was in. So he starts off with the ribbon so that the ribbon kind of doesn't sit on top of the ornaments, but actually sits in the tree. So he puts on the ribbon for us, and then the little ones will come and decorate and put on all the plastic. That's right, plastic, because I can't use glass with these kids. Plastic ornaments. And they love this part. Oh my gosh, they love decorating the Christmas tree so much. And I hope they continue to. I'm trying to enjoy these moments as much as possible and not be so like, that's not cute. I'm trying so hard not to be like, don't put the bulb right there next to the other bulb. Space it out a little, and just let them actually enjoy the process. It's really hard. It's really hard because all those comments I have just told you I made while decorating the Christmas tree. But they got to learn how to decorate it properly though, right? So had them put on all the gold ones, and then I went ahead and put on the white ones, and then Daddy went and put the like little, I don't know what you call that, but it's like things that stick out of the Christmas tree. And this is how it turns out. Isn't it so cute? Will it stay like this? I don't know, but it's cute now. And once that fireplace is done, it will really tie it all in together. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on the fireplace once it's done. All right, guys, don't forget to watch the other videos in this collab. Until next time, bye.